एक बचपन का ख्वाब था कि कपिल देव से मिलना है। मैं कपिल देव से सिर्फ मिला नहीं, कपिल देव से ऐसा रिश्ता बना कि वो मेरे जीवन में मेरा असली बड़ा भाई बन गया। The first time I got to go to his office was for a meeting for one of my clients, and I entered his office. That fanboy moment. You enter typically nervous, but the minute I entered his office in Delhi, I don't know, it just felt like ये मिलना तो होना ही था। कपिल देव का single handedly, अगर आपने उनके इंटरव्यूज देखे हैं, you'll realize it that he was the one person in the cricket team who had gone to England for the World Cup, who believed that he will win the World Cup. बाकी 14 लोग जो गए थे टूर पे या 15 लोग गए थे, वो एक क्रिकेट टूर पे गए थे, वर्ल्ड कप पे गए थे, लेकिन हमारा कप्तान कपिल देव एक ख्वाब लेके गया था कि मैं इस वर्ल्ड कप को जीत के आऊंगा। When the Kargil war broke out, I felt we should do something for the Kargil martyrs. I took a proposal to Mr. Kapil Dev that look, you're in Delhi, you have the contacts, and I want to do a football match in the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium to raise money for the Kargil martyrs and their families. And he said, wow, what an idea. What do you want from me? He says, yeah, Shailendra, who's playing in the football match? So whenever mera khwab hai that the football match should be between two people, Shah Rukh, the king of Bollywood, and the king of cricket, Sachin Tendulkar. So he said, wow. So dekh, he said, theek hai. So I will organize things for you in Delhi, you get the teams. No moment of my life of celebration is complete until Mr. Kapil Dev is there. My name is Shailendra Singh, and in my life I have done 23 creative successful startups in 23 years. In the field of media, communication, sports marketing, talent management, motion pictures, music festivals, and whatnot. Guess why? Because I dreamt and I did it. ख्वाब देखो, पूरा करो. So like I always said, life is all about dreaming and doing. ख्वाब देखो, पूरा करो. एक बचपन का ख्वाब था कि कपिल देव से मिलना है. क्रिकेटर का क्या ख्वाब क्या होगा? कपिल देव से मिलना है. मैं कपिल देव से सिर्फ मिला नहीं, कपिल देव से ऐसा रिश्ता बना कि वो मेरे जीवन में मेरा असली बड़ा भाई बन गया. अब बताता हूं कैसे. तो जब क्रिकेट के मेरी कहानी शुरू हुई ना, तो मेरे बेडरूम में कपिल देव का पोस्टर था. बिकॉज जो अचीवमेंट्स कपिल देव ने अपने जीवन में अचीव किए हैं हमारे देश के लिए, मुझे नहीं लगता कि किसी और क्रिकेटर ने किए हैं. क्योंकि जो चीज उनने 1983 में की थी इस देश के लिए, मुझे लगता है कि वो क्रिकेट की चिंगारी थी जिससे आज जो आग लगी है क्रिकेट की इस देश में और पूरी धरती पे, वो शुरुआत मुझे लगता है कहीं ना कहीं कपिल देव जी ने की थी उस 1983 के क्रिकेट के वर्ल्ड कप की विक्ट्री से. और एज अ यंग टीनेजर मुझे तो ना ही सिर्फ उस जीत से एक मोटिवेशन मिला, लेकिन वो जीत कैसे मिली, देश को कैसे मिली, कपिल देव ने वो जीत कैसे हासिल की, वही इस स्टोरी से कनेक्टेड है. ड्रीम एंड डू, ख्वाब देखो करो. कपिल देव का सिंगल हैंडेडली, अगर आपने उनके इंटरव्यूज देखे हैं when they were promoting the 83 film or other interviews, you'll realize it that he was the one person in the cricket team who had gone to England for the World Cup, who believed that he will win the World Cup. He said it himself. बाकी 14 लोग जो गए थे टूर पे या 15 लोग गए थे, वो एक क्रिकेट टूर पे गए थे, वर्ल्ड कप पे गए थे, लेकिन हमारा कप्तान कपिल देव एक ख्वाब लेके गया था कि मैं इस वर्ल्ड कप को जीत के आऊंगा. अब dreams don't come true easily. So in that dream, Kapil Dev had his own challenges, and the challenges came pretty early in the Zimbabwe match, right? You know what happened. And his 174 not out became a historic knock. But how did that knock happen? It happened from his belief that he will win the World Cup for the country. He believed in it. He believed in it, so he was able to do that spectacular knock. Now imagine as a teenager me watching at my home that knock and India actually reaching the finals and actually India winning the World Cup by beating West Indies in England. Historic period. So for me, he became the ultimate icon. He became a source of inspiration, a mentor, a guru, and for an athlete and a cricketer, I said, oh my God, काश मैं इस जिंदगी में एक बार कपिल देव बन जाऊं यार. बहुत बड़ा ख्वाब देख लिया. मगर ये नहीं पता था कि आगे जाके जीवन में ऐसा मौका मिलेगा कि मिस्टर कपिल देव will become a part of my soul, my heart, my mind, my family. So from being a mentor and a guru and an inspiration far away somewhere, zero connection, we got attached to the hip. This is what pure dreams can do. Because we human beings, हम लोग क्या है यार? एनर्जी है सिर्फ, 3 trillion nerves, 70% water, nerves create energy, water creates energy. We are nothing but just energy. So I guess that pure dream of mine sent that energy out to Kapil Dev, and the connection happened. The first time I got to go to his office was for a meeting for one of my clients. And I entered his office, like, you know, that fanboy moment. You enter typically nervous, scared, in awe of. But the minute I entered his office in Delhi, I don't know, it just felt like ये मिलना तो होना ही था. यही होता है पावर ड्रीम्स का. वो एनर्जी ऐसे मैच हुई उस मीटिंग में that he made me fully comfortable and he believed in my ideas that I presented to him in that meeting, and began this journey where I did not take my relationship for granted, but we collaborated. And from that time, I think our friendship now is 25 years. 25 years of friendship. It's, I don't know how to explain to you. No contracts, no MOUs, no financial transaction, but an unconditional bond. We did a lot of business, we created history. I will tell you a story that is fascinating. But everything we did together was about doing good for our country and doing good for cricket. Always. Mr. Kapil Dev, my elder brother, my friend, my mentor, my teacher, always stood for my ideas when cricket was going to benefit, or Indian or India was going to benefit. Always. He never backed out. It's just wow. So imagine beyond the athlete, there is a phenomenal human being which I got to experience because of that childhood dream. I took an idea for him because I was very disturbed when the Kargil war broke out. And I felt we should do something for the Kargil martyrs. And I took a proposal to Mr. Kapil Dev that, look, you're in Delhi, you have the contacts, and I want to do a football match in the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium to raise money for the Kargil martyrs and their families. And he said, wow, what an idea. What do you want from me? I said, I want you to help me get the stadium for free, use your resources and contacts locally in Delhi to broadcast the match on Doordarshan. So he says, Shailendra, who's playing in the football match? And why football? Why not cricket? I said, football, a lot of people can easily play, Kapil Paji. Cricket is a super skill sport, you know. This is what I felt at that time. So he says, ठीक है, तो तू किसको ला रहा है खेलने के लिए? तो मैंने बोला, मेरा एक छोटा सा ख्वाब है कि ये फुटबॉल मैच ना, क्योंकि हम अपने आर्मी जवान्स के लिए कर रहे हैं, ये हिस्ट्री में ना, हिंदुस्तान की हिस्ट्री में सबसे बड़ा सोशल इवेंट होना चाहिए स्पोर्ट्स का, जो स्पोर्ट्स और बॉलीवुड और म्यूजिशियन सब जुड़े एक कॉज के लिए, और वो हमारे आर्म्ड फोर्सेस के लोगों के लिए, उनकी फैमिली के लिए. तो उन्होंने बोला, तो बताना कौन खेलने वाला है. तो मैंने बोला, मेरा ख्वाब है द फुटबॉल मैच शुड बी बिटवीन टू पीपल, शाहरुख खान फ्रॉम द किंग ऑफ बॉलीवुड एंड द किंग ऑफ क्रिकेट, सचिन तेंदुलकर. तो ही सेड, वाह. तो देख, ही सेड, ठीक है, तो मैं, आई विल ऑर्गेनाइज थिंग्स फॉर यू इन दिल्ली, यू गेट द टीम्स. आई सेड, डन. So another dream. I went on a spree. First of all, obviously, I got the sponsor, and we got the money to conduct the event, and got the charity amount that we wanted to give to the Kargil martyrs and the family. So that was sorted even before, because जो हम अपने ख्वाब में एक promise करते हैं, हमें उसको पहले पूरा करना चाहिए, नहीं तो सब गलत हो जाएगा. तो पहले मैंने वो पूरा किया, और फिर मैंने शाहरुख खान जी को अप्रोच किया, and he said yes. Now minutes Shahrukh Khan and Sachin Tendulkar said yes. In just a day, I had 40 different celebrities from the walks of life of cricket and Bollywood, and singers and actresses all said yes. You won't believe, in the football match, there was Raveena Tandon, Mahima Chaudhary, top actresses, even Govinda came. And I remember getting a call from Salman Khan's office, and Salman is an old friend of mine from back in the day, and saying that Salman wants to come for the football match. I said, are you serious? I said, I'm sorry, I didn't ask him because I didn't know he wanted to play. Salman came with his entire convoy of 10 people. We had to book aircrafts, and it became one of the biggest charity events this nation has seen, live on Doordarshan. But before the game, we went to Mr. Pramod Mahajan's office, who was the IMB minister at that time. Mr. Kapil Dev took me there. I still remember the moment, to invite him, seek his support, from the government to give us all the support. And then he suggested that इतना बड़ा आप event कर रहे हो, तो why don't you invite the Prime Minister? So then we had an opportunity to invite Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, late Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, to come to the event. I was not keen to politicize the event, but Kapil Paji advised me that such a large event should be conducted with the blessings of the Prime Minister's office and all our ministers, etc. So that happened. That game became historic. There was a very nostalgic moment in that game where it was a tie, 4-all. And Shah Rukh Khan came and said, extend the game. And we were broadcasting it live on Doordarshan. I said, I can't do it. He says, it's a tie, we have to win. And I said, bro, it's not about winning and losing. But the enthusiasm by the cricketers versus the Bollywood was spectacular. You won't believe it, what was happening in the background. Mr. M.F. Hussain, the late M.F. Hussain, was doing a live painting of the match. What was happening on stage? Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, A.R. Rahman, all of them were performing. That is the Kargil football match. It's live on Doordarshan. If you can find the link, watch it. It was historic. We raised the money. We created the most sensational memory. But what is important here is, in my life, my elder brother, Mr. Kapil Dev, was right besides me, helping me fulfill my dream. Can you believe that? I mean, that is what really happened. And post the match, guess what? Without telling Mr. Kapil Dev, I threw the after party in his bungalow in Delhi, and his wife was furious because we sent 3 trucks of food to his house without telling her that we're having an after party. We were celebrating the match's success. So this is what one moment of dreaming and doing, ख्वाब देखो पूरा करो, की सच्चाई है कि किस हद तक तुम्हारे ख्वाब जा सकते हैं और किस हद तक the universe will support you if your intentions are pure to fulfill your dream. Beyond this, Mr. Kapil Dev and me have had the most amazing moments. मेरी पहली picture थी प्यार में कभी कभी. First of all, on record, no moment of my life of celebration is complete until Mr. Kapil Dev is there. And guess what? I'm humbled to say this, that if I have sent 1,000 invites in 25 years to Mr. Kapil Dev, he has turned up for 999. He also interestingly had a tradition for nearly 15 years. He didn't miss a single birthday of mine. And one time he missed it and we actually had a fight. So that's the nostalgia. And when I made my first Bollywood movie, which is Pyar Mein Kabhi Kabhi, I'm sure you remember the song Musu Musu Hasi, Wo Pehli Baar Jab Hum Mile. And I remember going on a premiere to Delhi, and my most nostalgic we did 7 premieres across the country, but at 2:30 in the night in Taj Man Singh, we were all sitting, Vinod Kambli hanging around, a lot of crowd, everybody had gone. Mr. Kapil Dev was standing on the table with me and singing this song, Wo Pehli Baar Jab Hum Mile, Haathon Mein Haath Hum Le. I mean, you know what? This is life. You dream and you do. And our brotherhood, friendship, relationship is not ended yet. I'm not able to, through this episode, explain more of the different things we did in life, different transactions. All I can say is that it's amazing that I dreamt of meeting an icon, a legend like Mr. Kapil Dev, just once in my life. And I got to live nearly 25, 30 years with him. And just not meet him for these years, but celebrate life with him, besides him, in my heart. Proud moment for me was when Mr. Kapil Dev got the Cricketer of the Millennium award in London. It was the biggest award of his life. We went there and we were together, and I was always besides him. He was always besides me in life, so that's another story. And he went on stage. I was so proud. And just before going on stage, we always have this story about Mr. Kapil Dev. Even after he's achieved everything, we always discuss his English and Hindi, his translation, the way he pronounces words, the way he speaks. Nobody's forgotten his original ad of Palmolive ka jawab nahi, the jawab nahi. So when he was going on stage, I just held his hand and I said, it's England, you've won the greatest award on the planet for yourself, which you truly deserve. But I just have one request, that please speak in Hindi on stage. Let the world translate our language and understand what you're saying, because that will make me really proud. And that's exactly what he did. And I said, if Nadal can speak in Spanish, why can't Mr. Kapil Dev speak in Hindi? So that was quite cool that he listened to me. Keep dreaming, keep doing. ख्वाब देखो, पूरा करो। लाइफ बहुत ही अनकॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो जाएगी, क्योंकि लाइफ जब से हम पैदा हुए हैं ना, इज हेडिंग टू डेथ। तो जब तक हम जिंदा हैं, और आपको सबसे ज्यादा प्लेजर पता है किस चीज में मिलेगा? ख्वाब देखना, उनको पूरा करना। बहुत ही सिंपल फॉर्मूला है लाइफ का। अकेले आए थे, अकेले जाएंगे, नंगे आए थे, नंगे जाए थे, कुछ लेके आए नहीं थे, कुछ लेके जाएंगे नहीं। तो व्हाई ऑल दिस ड्रामा? ख्वाब देखो, पूरा करो, यू हैव अ फैंटास्टिक लाइफ। एंड इफ यू लाइक्ड इट, कमेंट अबाउट इट. Like I said, I can do 10 episodes on my relationship with Mr. Kapil Dev. So if you like it, comment. Maybe I'll do the other 9 episodes after this. Let me know.